that the Yuva Paltans does really, really well. But for the Yuva Paltan, as I
will be very, very against the Yuva.
Solid corners there. Jayesh, Keshav, Anil, Sanket and
Akshay
the toss
Desai
was won by Yuva Paltans. So the first raid by Yuva Yodhas. And who is it taking in on Rayan?
Bonus point, Yuva Yodhas.
Empty-handed, even that's a wise move there. With a slender lead of 2. And Shivam Singh comes in. Again, a left raider here. Clear bonus attempt, but then who is at the corner? That's Sanjay going in for an ankle hold right on time. What a skill he has exhibited.
We wanted to see Sanjay come back and get a much better performance, and this is a wonderful sign to see him initiating that ankle hold.
I mean, before this match, Ryan, we have seen Yuva Yodhas not so performing very well in defense. But today, they have done a great job. In the initial 1 to 10 minutes, is the 63% is the strike rate, but then the raider wins over the defense because that was a very, very advanced tackle. And it's the first multi-pointer for Yuva Yodhas and 2 revivals for the team. And that equalizes the score. Let's get back to and see what was happening in that action. Block happened, but the angle wasn't right. The raid line and the struggle happened, but then the raider was safe enough there. It's the first do-or-die raid of the match, Ryan.
And it's Abhishek Kumar. Take a look at this. The left corner coming across, hugs him through and tells him, welcome to the first do-or-die raid encounter. You're going to get caught in the initial few seconds.
That was a Sonu Rati for us, announcing it so big here on this match. What a beautiful tackle that was. Once the raider, the cross, no, the raider went back already.
Much better performance today from Rahul Teke, and it is important for him to come out through so that he takes pressure off his other 2 raiders, Ashish and Ko, who has been doing a great job for the team. This time, Jatin Singh, did he cross through or was the dash more successful? Looks like the dash has come through, and Yuva Paltan will regain the lead.
No, he completely sweeps off the cover positions there. And that's where they get a point edge here. 10 minutes in the game and the raider is out. The raider is out. My God.
1 point, Yuva Yodhas.
With both the hands. Again, a super tackle opportunity for Yuva Paltans here. Shivam Singh, a left raider. On the right corner, whom do we have? It's number 10 jersey, which is the crucial player, Sanjay Nanya.
Yuva Yodhas, jersey number 8 out. Substitute player.
Yeah, he didn't go as much towards Sanjay. He did initially, but it was on the other side. Rakesh.
The other team make more errors going forward. So that dominance is always there when you get that first all-out points on board.
Yeah, I can't wait to see his zone-wise range if he is the highest scoring raider at the end of the first half. We have 5 more minutes remaining here. It's a 5-point advantage. We can make that 4. And Yuva Paltan, mean business, especially after conceding that all-out. Jatin Singh has been introduced by the Yuva Yodhas to cut that momentum. Yuva Paltan is more or less gained in this. Oh, there we go, and he's done it. This could be 3 if not 2 points. And there we go, it is the Super 8 coming through. He's got the bonus. He targeted that left corner, and along the way, he got the better of the cover as well.
This time around, it is a proper super raid. And look at the way, the force in which the raider picked up an Indian moment. This is the first super raid for the Yuva Yodhas there.
Anuj Singh on the other side for Yuva Paltan. Oh, take a look at that. He has been pinned down, if not taken down. And I'm sure that is a contender to be a star moment, Radhika.
That's a Sonu Rati once again. Look at his power. Double tie hold, solo tackle. And if time permits, maybe he will get him sit on the bench to take away from the defense of Paltan. But the Raider was quick enough to anticipate what's happening on the mat. Now it's a dupki. It should be a multi-pointer for sure. Will that be a 3-pointer? We'll need.
And
Review successful. Raider side 3 points. UA Paltan number 4, 40 and 50 out. UA Paltan, you have written
And
your review.
that's a big blow because that's Sonu Rati in the question. First super raid for the Paltans as well. India 180M. Star moment for the Paltans. This could be the last raid for the first half, Ryan.
last raid, and it finishes on a similar note as much as the entire raiding front of UA Yodhas has been. And Shivam Singh does a good job to finish the same way he more or less started with his team. Darshan again, not so alert. He should have
So let's see, next 20 minutes, will that be crucial for the team in this?
continue. As it stands, it's the UA Yodhas that have the upper hand over UA Paltan.
Rahul Teke has done a decent job for the team. So let's see if he continues to do so. Very agile, as we say. And but this time around the right cover. I think this is the failure of the Raider here.
Time for UA Paltan to regroup and try and find a way back. But UA Yodhas, given how they have structured their gameplay after that opening day, has changed it up entirely. Take a look at this. This is where UA Paltan are strong. And these are moments that they will have to get and enhance a lot more as they get the better of the Raider in this occasion.
Still a 10-point deficit. It's a 9-point deficit here. Very, very unpredictable move that was from the left cover. But then rest of the defense, look at the way they came back. They're playing it smart here as per the situation. And this is the do-or-day raid. I think it is the third do-or-day raid of the match from the Paltans, and the first two did not go their way, and third even do not go their way. The do-or-day raids, they have not been successful so far in the match, and that pressure is definitely creeping in for the Paltans here. Ashish, let's go back. In a defense of 5, a bonus isn't available, but the corner substitutions. And in one substitution, you can completely change the entire squad as well. There's no restriction to the number of players you can substitute. And performance in all UR seasons for Keshav Kumar is 91% rate strike rate. Definitely not humanly possible here, Ryan. He's done a brilliant strike rate there.
Definitely the 90s, be it your attendance in college, your grades, or even your strike rate in Kabaddi. It is very, very impressive, and you can keep the defense guessing. That's where you've gotten the better of them already. Dinesh Kumar, can he keep them guessing? No, he cannot. Quite predictable. The defense were in the right place, and the trap set well.
Of the footwork of the Raider. Ashish Padale. Now the pressure is on this Raider, and he takes it. That is what we're saying. We need to have quick raids like this to stay. Ankle holds, generally the corners does it. When the in players does it, then that comes as a surprise. It's a super tackle opportunity for the UA Paltans here. This is a Keshav Kumar for us, who is known as the Tufan for a reason. And yes, he is smart enough. Will he be able to convert this, or the Paltans get the third super tackle? This is Ease by Trip, super tackle number 3 for the UA Paltans. Before this match, they had 0% tackle strike rate in these situations. But today, they have announced it big. Ease by Trip, super tackle number 3 for the UA Paltans on this match.
India won ATM star moment in this game, and UA Paltan wanted this at any point, and it's finally come.
The Raider comes deep in. It's a do-or-die raid. Now, UA Yodhas, what they need to do, they just need to hold on. And do-or-die raid, 17 do-or-die raids this season, and they failed 11 times. Only 35% strike rate for the Paltans. And that remains trying to build up more confidence in the team. Whether the Raider comes in or not, just go ahead and attack in the defense. That's what he says. And for the Raiders, he says go attack, go play whatever possible, and do not look at the scoreboard. You know, that will definitely give up more pressure. And as the coach said, and looks like the Raider did not cross
Raider
the
out.
midline.
1 point.
Will they want to
UA
review
Paltan.
this? Because he did, you know, put his fingers on the midline, but crossing is so important. Double thigh hold, the left corner comes in. The dangling hand has not been taken care of till then. Follow through was
14-point affair. And here it's going to be another positive raid for Yuva Paltan.
Yuva Paltan.
And Ashish wants a lot more points, I think. He has to settle for the 2 that is announced by Akshay Desai. And Yodhas wanted a review, but Akshay Desai just reminded them that they lost their review just a few moments back. But this is a good raid once again.
Do or die.
Game that you can just win 3 straight against 3 strong teams.
oh my god, a super tap kill yet
Super
again.
2 points.
East
UA
by trip,
Yodhas.
super tackle for Yuva Yodhas. I love the way he put his stance wide, Ryan, and he puts his center of gravity on the mat. Wow, what a moment. Let's go back to the action. He was just controlling the far corner, but look at the power and the stance in which he got the tackle done for the team.
Through with the midline. Nevertheless, this is the last raid of the match. And Chaitanya will look to finish on a positive note, but he cannot because the Yuva Yodhas will get back-to-back super tackles to conclude this game as they finish it off in style with an Ease My Trip super tackle. And Yuva Yodhas have officially won their 3rd straight game, Radhika.
Absolutely stunning. Both the raiding and the defense.
The hospitality partners is Yashil Hotel, Hyatt Place. Travel Trust partner is Ease My Trip. Trusted ATM partner is India One. Official physio partner is Science Institute of Paramedical and Allied Sciences. Pradhan Times is our local news media partner, and Bhumanand Hospital is the official medical partner. Of course, all this streaming to you live and exclusive on fan code of the UA All-Star Championship 2025.